In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to add users through the user portal. The advantages of the user portal is it's more of a self-service portal for users to be able to create their accounts with limited IT intervention. So once logged into your PaperCut Hive tenant, click on Users, click on Add User, create the email address or type in the email address of the account that we're inviting, and then make sure that we're doing a user portal invitation, and then send the invite. Another advantage of the user portal invitation is that you can create a link that anybody that's part of a specific domain, i.e. abccompany.com, can create their own user account by going to the link that's been provided. So now let's take a moment and switch over to the PC that got the invite. All right, so we received the email invitation for the customer user portal. So if we look at that, we're going to get this. We can click on Get Started here. Takes us to a portal. You type in your name that you want to be identified with, the email address that the invite was sent to, and then choose a password of your choice. And then sign up with email. You'll get a prompt to verify the email address for sign up, which you'll go back to your email and look, and you'll have your prompt or your verification email, which you will then verify. Once you verify the email, it will take you right in to your user portal. We gave ourselves the name Dex Imaging, as you can see right here. Here's our user portal. The Set Up My Devices option here on the left is where you would go for the download for the installation of the application that goes on the PC to allow you to print. The Completed Jobs section right here shows your completed print history. And this How to Print tab on the left gives you videos on how basic printing works through PaperCut Hive, on the different applications or different OSs, Mac, Windows, Chrome, iOS, and Android, as well as how to release print jobs on the machine using your phone, an access code, or an access card. So let's go ahead and install the application using the Setup Device option. Again, this is an OS-aware link, so if you are on Mac, it will give you a PKG file instead of an executable, but because we're on Windows, we're going to get an EXE. So if I click on Download for Windows, we get the application, which I can then open. Now this application that it downloads is specific to this user. It can't be copied and used on other workstations. Each user has to run their own. And we're going to click Install. And we're going to give it a minute to install. All right, the installation has completed. So now if I go over to try to print a document, I should have the PaperCut printer installed, which I can then send my job to. Through the user portal as well, you can look and see what your access code is. In case you forget it, it's shown right here. So now we can go over to the machine and release our print job. Thank you.